Still wondering how to make this tantalizing and delicious, simple and easy jollof rice? Worry no more. Come with me. Let me take you through the process of how I made this amazing rice. This recipe does not require much ingredients and it's very easy to put together. So guys, come with me. Let's walk through the process of the simple jollof rice. I begin with washing my tomato, my pepper and my onions, and into my mortar I pound it because at this time there was no light, so I did the pounding. It was really difficult because this is what the blender will just do in less than 2 minutes, so I had to do the pounding. It wasn't really easy with me, but I scaled through. So I pound my onions, my pepper, my tomato, my tatase, the one I got the previous day from the market, my shombo and the atarodo. Then I added my ginger and garlic. I pound it to a rough consistency. So this is me packing it out from the mortar, after which I checked on my rice that I put on fire. It was boiling, right? So after a while I allowed it to cook. Then I came back to it to wash it. So after washing it, I added oil to my pot, the same pot, because it was a one pot cooking. So I didn't use much pot. Then I added the oil and I added my pepper mix that I pounded earlier. Then I stirred it all together. So I allowed it to fry. Then I came back to it to add my seasoning. We said it's a simple recipe. We didn't use much seasoning, just seasoning cubes and salt. Then if you wish, you can add your crayfish, your seasoning, any preferable seasoning of your choice. But for me, I just use my seasoning cube and my salt because I didn't want any other flavors, so the natural flavors were okay for me. So guys, I allowed it to fry. Then I added my fish. This fish I used was spandler fish, roasted one to be precise. Then I added it. I allowed it to fry again for a while. Then I added in my rice, the parboiled rice. So if you are watching till this point, do not forget to click on the like button and share. Then please subscribe to my channel to get more amazing recipe. So I stirred in everything so that all my ingredients will incorporate in. So I stirred everything together and added water. I added the water to a little bit above the rice level. So I added that one fish. It was one fish just sitting there, so for it not to get spoiled, I added it to my rice. Then I covered and allowed it to cook. So after it was cooked for 95%, I came back to the food. I added my vegetable. You can skip this part, it's optional. So I added in my vegetables and I mixed everything together. Your rice is ready at this point to consume. Share with your loved ones, your family and every other person around you. So I dished out my portion that I wanted to consume. I'm not a foodie though, but it was delicious. You will see my reaction from the video. It was amazing, guys. Don't forget to try out this recipe, and I love you all. See you in my next one. Bye guys. Please subscribe.